All Saints here on the Voice of Hauaki, ko te reo Hauaki nā iwi FM, just gone 8:30, Thursday morning, there's a bit of wind around, but otherwise we should have not a bad day. The weekend looks good though, on the promising side of things, and what's looking good tomorrow though, he is joining us as we promised. We have Mike Barlow, whoop, many know him as out there as well, and morena, whoop.
Morena, how are you, mate?
Yeah, I'm good, bro. What to the question, how are you now?
Oh, I'm fantastic. I'm awesome. I'm great.
Hey, I just want to say, because we're not actually caught up on there in a little while, but for those people out there who didn't realise, you should have read the Local Valley profile. You should have seen it all over the social media. Congratulations to you, mate. We've been put forward to represent Thames Coromandel District Council for Māori Awards, bro.
Yeah. I mean, as the article says, E is for excellence. But no, it's a real honour and a privilege to be able to support and be there for our whānau and pretty much our entire rohe. So yeah, thank you for that, mate. It's going to be an awesome journey.
Yeah, we'll see and hope the referendum goes through come sometime in October. But we're not here to talk about local government politics. We're here to talk about haramai ki hauraki he aotea te āwhia, te pūtake o toi ki hauraki. Tomorrow it's back for its second year at the Goldfields Mall.
Yeah, that's right. So we were a bit slow on advertising, but we made a decision last year that last year's event brought people back together. And that's exactly what we want to try and do. It's about cultural expressions of a diverse hauraki. So we've got about seven rōpū coming in to just entertain us and just share their many cultures that we have around hauraki, and it's really exciting.
Yeah, definitely. That's one way we kind of contribute through the different ethnicity that we have within our own backyard, and culture is one of those, obviously, and through their actions on stage entertaining, we see it so often. And the other part that's a significant part is the kai that they kind of bring as well. That's always a huge thing. But it's more than that. It's just recognising them that they live in our area of hauraki rohe, around the region, but also we can express their culture and give it to the opportunity of people to come into the mall and enjoy from 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Yeah, from 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, and I mean it is open to everybody. So I mean we start off with our kohangaranga tamariki, so Mātou Whitu Koanga Reo, then we've got Pauro Central, Te Wharikuru Manaia, they're also coming down this year. Te Puru School, we've got our kaumātua going to entertain us, and we know how great our kaumātua can be, and so also Thames High School, Te Kuru o Te Kauaeranga, but we also have our wonderful Indian community coming in to share their culture with us as well, and we're also hoping to get some performances from Te Mata o Kaiwaka. So yeah, it's going to be a really exciting day tomorrow. It's from 10 o'clock through to 2, depending on how time goes. You know what we're like, mate.
Cool. Awesome, bro. Looking forward to that as well. And I remember last year the success of that, and I know you got an MC that's going to be in amongst all of that as well, entertaining the crowd. And I know he's tied up with 3 rōpū playing the guitar. But overall, it's just that experience. And no more haramai is if you got nothing to do tomorrow, roll on down to the Goldfields Mall.
Yeah. So rolling down, I mean, like you said, our MC is Reha from Ngā Iwi FM, but also thanks to our sponsors and supporters of the event. We've got Waste Management, Goldfields, Te Whāriki Manawahine. We've also got the Kura Te Kauaeranga, and also Ngā Iwi FM by coming in and supporting us, supporting this kaupapa. So it's open to everybody. So when you're walking through, doing your shopping, just stop and listen, and you'll be amazed of what's about to happen tomorrow.
Yeah, and that's what I reflect on from last time. I remember people's comments and seeing it all on the social media, positive comments around just that experience of the culture that you have in your backyard, entertaining the people. It's a nice thing to do when you go into the mall. I want to move forward just quickly and give this a bit of a recognition out there as well, a bit of a plug. It's the whānau day out, mate. That's coming up straight after the Santa Parade. It's the first Saturday of December.
Yes, that's right. So we've locked in the 6th of December for our whānau day. So we've got our Thames Business Association Santa Parade, and then straight after that is our whānau day. So again, we've got multiple numbers of support. We're even getting emails about wanting to have kai stalls down at Tamakura as well. and that started now. So we've got everything underway. We're looking at the bouncy castles, the rock climbing walls. So everything that we had last year will be coming back. And again, it's going to be free for our tamariki. So all the activities, we've got haircuts and photos and face painting. So this is going to be our 4th year, I think it is. I believe it is our 4th year. So it's going to be really amazing. Something to do in December. So December the 6th. Just with our Pūtake o Tuiki Hauaki, we've also locked in 18th of September 2026 as well for next year's event. So,
you're not mucking around, mate.
Not mucking around anymore, mate.
No mucking around. Must be their bloody new role you may get in council. We'll see what happens. Oh, hikama. Hey, awesome to talk to you, bro. I know you're busy over there as well. Thank you for taking some time out and sharing a couple of kaupapa that's coming out over in Thames as well, even as far as 2026, the 18th of September. So you can mark that in the calendar. Reha's already put it in there. He knows he's going to be there again on the microphone. But other than that, I do have a guy called Jack Lewis who is actually going to sit on the water thing where the kids get to throw the thing and knock the ball in the water.
Nice.
Yeah.
Still waiting for you to jump on there, mate.
Oh, yeah, I did it last year. So, yeah, I'm back into it again. But I'll be there. We'll be there.
Yeah,
thanks, Whip.
Awesome. Thank you.
Ka kite. 22 minutes away from 9 o'clock on RUEFM.